thinks that if I'm home, I need to be paying attention to him at all times. So don't be surprised if we get kind of interrupted here by him whining or barking at me. I just wanted to show you that I did pre-design a template for you to use in email marketing if you aren't up to playing around with your own template yet. From choose your template when you start a campaign, if you click on this little arrow and there's a COVID-19 template, and you can select that. And then you can go in and just change the image here to your logo. If you want, you can change the massage picture or the color. It's already got your contact name, merge tag in there. You can add your own text here. And Jenny had said she wanted to do a video. So I kind of put this area in here, and I'll show you in a minute how to add a video into there. You can change this to say schedule now or buy now if you're doing a gift certificate sale. So you can change that text to whatever you want, and then you will go over here and add the link to your sales page or your schedule page right there. And then you can add your own image here, change this text to your own contact info, and your company info and everything will automatically fill down in the bottom. So that's all set for you. So you can go in and just change anything that you want, or you can, just add your details and it'd pretty much be ready to go. So if you wanted to add a video here, you can't actually embed a video, but what you can do is have your video on YouTube, and then you can take a screenshot of it, and I will post details on how to do that on the comments of this video. But then once you've got a screenshot of it, you can go and browse for an image and upload here, and I've already got mine saved. And this is just a screenshot of one of my videos on YouTube. So then I'm gonna insert that right into there so you can tell that it's a video. And then you can come over here, and if you copy and paste the video from YouTube, so that'll link it right to that video. So when clients get your email, they can't necessarily play the video from their email, but if they click on it, it'll take them to YouTube where they will see your video. Okay, and I think that's everything on this. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I will put a note in there on the comments on how to do a screenshot to get this thumbnail for your video if you don't already know how to do that. Or if you have any other questions on this, again, you can go in and change this picture and pick whatever picture you want or search the free pictures. So there's lots of things that you can do to customize it yourself. All right, hope this helps. Let me know if you need any help.